So I decided to go into teaching in the first place because I strongly believed and still believe that education is an essential component of human existence. In other words, education enables the growth of individuals by providing strong roots of information and knowledge. As a teacher, I become an integral part of this process for today's youth. And this role really provides me with an opportunity to do certain things like inspire, engage, mold the minds of future generations. And I constantly hope to do that in both a passionate and positive way. I think it takes a lot to become an inspiring teacher. I think part of it is just in your natural demeanor and desire to really want to work with youth 24/7. And I think the other key components are a passion for your subject matter, confidence for the material that is being taught, consistency in expectations that are set. As a teacher, as an inspiring teacher, you also need to be extremely flexible to deliver the content in the curriculum in a multitude of different ways for different learners. And above all, as a teacher, you need to have a tremendous amount of patience for all of the students as they navigate their own distinct process as a learner. Probably the greatest gratification for me that comes with working with students is from those moments when students display newfound confidence and enthusiasm towards the work at hand. When I see a student becoming enthusiastic and becoming extremely confident about the material, I know that they've mastered it to a certain level, and I know that it's going to become a key part of their journey and allow them the opportunity to succeed on a level that perhaps before they never imagined.